Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a.
I figured, well, I look tall today. What's going on? I figured I'd throw up an old poll, the old classical climbing a mountain poll. What's going on, guys? Happy Friday! I see you trying to FOMO in. I see you. What's going on? Hope you're all having a wonderful morning, as am I. I got the double dip coffee ready to go. 2 for 1. Okay. One keeping warm, okay? And you know when it's like it's just right? The coffee is just right. That's how it feels today. I think this is pointing. There we go. Oh, I even did my hair a little bit today. No, I'm joking. I didn't do my hair. Come on. We're here to make money. We're here to make money. What's going on, chat? How are we all doing this morning? Good morning to every single one of you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Bitcoin hitting 64,000 to almost 200, okay? Almost 200. You would have had that level. You would have had that level if you're hanging out with us. Now it looks like we're getting a little bit of a rejection down. Now FOMO short. FOMO short now. No, I'm joking. I'm not here to FOMO. I'm here to help. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. We're going to say hello to the chat. Looks like the BOJ, the Bank of Japan, some pretty bullish news. Pretty good. You know, the reading was all right. And we can go from there. We'll see what we can find today. And hopefully we can find a lot of goodies, okay? The best news is that we no longer have the dad joke book. If you want more dad jokes, put a 1 in the chat. We can always do more dad jokes, okay? I'm just gonna have to get them from Discord for now. The dad joke of the day. Let's see. If you think swimming with dolphins is expensive, you should try swimming with sharks. It cost me an arm and a leg. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. I'm FOMO'd short. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't approve. We're not there yet. We got to do top down. We got to what is the plan? What is the plan? We came up, we touched the top here, we got rejected down. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I don't know what you guys are up to this morning, but you know, we'll try to help you out. We'll try to help you out. This poll right here is a classic poll. Okay, this is like an original Otter Gang poll. Okay, and the thing is, the argument is roller skates. Okay, you do not. You know how hot you would be climbing a mountain in one of those big otter suit things. Like, I'm just telling you, the argument is roller skates. I'll let you have a think about it. But the argument's roller skates. If you're French toaster, you know, okay? Okay. Let's go through the chat. What's going on, Tony Soprano? I can't see anybody above you, so I guess there's no one above you, Tony. You're incredible, man. Good to see you. Let's do some Tony Sopranos in the chat. He even has his own emoji. Chadwick Racing 808. Incredible moves, guys. Yeah, absolutely. 808 is going to be the new start time because, I mean, everybody likes a good old 808. Let's get after it relentlessly. Forget about it. Oh, good to see you, Lloyd. Roger. My nose is itchy. No, make all the jokes you want. Lloyd Roger Spencer, good morning to you. Hodl Crypto, what's going on? Good to see you. We close above long-term trend. Yeah, this is... Well, look at that. I know what you're talking about there, my friend. Good to see you. French Toaster, what's going on? Good morning, Otter Squad. We're Suicide Squad, so squad. I don't know about squad. I think gang is more suitable. However, we can go with squad today as well. What's going on, Wonder Bar? Good to see you, Wonder Bar. The best chocolate bar around. It was my favorite when I was a kid. Crypto Wanderer, good morning to you. Welcome here. Sibel, good morning from the Netherlands. Okay, we got to get some clogs for Sibel. We can borrow Mark's clogs for now. Okay, and then we got French Toaster. No, see roller skates. Crypto Josh, good morning to you. Let's say good morning, everybody. You know, you walk into the office, right? If this was the office, you better be saying good morning to me, or I'm gonna put, you know, thumbnails or whatever tax on your chair. No, I'm not that guy. Ugh. I got maybe my allergies are bad today. Happy Friday, Alex. Chadwick's Racing, good to see you. Quasim, happy Friday. Jeet Corp, good morning. How you doing? Lotmo Crypto, let's get it. I agree. I'm definitely down to get it. It is Friday. We have had an absolutely spectacular week, crushing the trades as a community. I mean, even in the Discord, it's been spectacular, okay? It's been absolutely spectacular. Buck, good morning. Atlas Prime, good morning to you. G'day, all peoples. JP, are you from Australia? I mean, I lived in Sydney for a year. G'day to you. We're cracking 70. Oh, man. Bit late, just got off work call. What's going on? Gang. Good to see you, Darren. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day, man. I lost 20% of my account yesterday because I'm a noob and got frustrated. So you got into tilt, it sounds like. 2 months of profit gone so fast. Well, at least you used a stop loss. I mean, it's frustrating, yes, but you reflect, you document, you learn, and you hopefully don't do it again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that, French Toaster. Mad love to you. I see a lot of... What are these faces here? Shocked faces. Let's do shocked faces together. Everybody, let's spam the shocked faces. Oh, man. I FOMO'd short, and you might be okay if you FOMO'd short, but be careful. Be careful, please. Be careful. Good morning. Max H, Quasim, Crypto Vol, 4 guys on the Titanic. It hits the iceberg. Okay. What's going on? Water says, get to the life. Walter says, get to the lifeboats. Teacher says, What about the children? Priest says, do you think we have time? Come on, where's the ending? It's supposed to be funny. What's going on? Oh, man. Crypto Josh, looks like we're rejecting off the daily 618. Okay, that's good. Melissa, good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Huddle Crypto, good morning to you. Food for Bitcoin, good to see you as well. Bapster, good to see you as well. Luke Zaldana, good morning to you. Fotis, good morning. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful morning as well. Yo, almost not made it, but found the toilet paper and oh my God, here we are. Fresh cup of Colombian coffee. I don't know. I just got a flashback to Austin Powers when he's like, Basil, it tastes like shit. That's because it is shit, Austin. What is this poll has to do with crypto? It's because everybody else's polls are really boring. Up or down. That's the how creative of a poll is Bitcoin 70K next or 40K next? How creative is that? Is that something is that a good talking point or is that just like up or down? Is that lazy? I argue it's lazy, okay? I argue it's lazy. Okay? If you can't be more creative with a poll, then what we're not only here to make money and trade, but we're here to have deep discussions on if you were climbing a mountain, and I have climbed 5 mountains in my life. 5 mountains. And I mean, not no namby-pamby, weak little hills, okay? I've climbed mountains, Canadian mountains. I've also climbed Ben Nevis in the UK, okay? I like climbing mountains, okay? And you gotta be prepared. Now, the idea here is the clown shoes and the stilts are a little bit risky, okay? Especially the stilts going downhill. The stilts might be okay going uphill because you can see over everybody and you might be okay. The clown shoes, you know you're going to trip. 100%. Now, the otter suit is the given because it's like, okay, you're just wearing a suit, you can manage, but it's going to be hot. Now, the roller skates, you can dig in on the way up and then you get down faster. That's the argument, okay? That is the argument. Okay. What's up, Alex from Byron Bay? Check Turbo and Sun, please, champ. Byron Bay, yeah, welcome. Turbo time. It's turbo time. Scalp and BTC. You're in 4 trades already. Look at you, Sniper's Nightmare. I'm looking for this breakout. I'm also looking for a return back down to here. Golden pocket bounce last night. Kyle gave the short from here last night. Okay, he gave that one. I looked to get long here last night. I got in a little bit too early. I took my profits and then I went to bed. Okay, then we continued to pump. So many trades. Let me blow my nose first. All right, we're back. My chair's not behaving itself this morning. Okay, so looking for a little breakout this morning. We'll see if we get it. Thank you guys for being here. Much love to every single one of you guys. And hopefully we can... you just got deleted. Oh, man. What are you doing here, bro? Don't make me kick your ass out of here. Oh, that's why we have mods. We are so close to 70K, further away from 40. Life's a climb, but the view is great. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. All right. Little hill on the playground doesn't count as a mountain, Alex. I mean, when you're 5'4", Tony, everything's a mountain. Even getting up to that top shelf in the kitchen. Okay? Oh, man. Oh, man. So, where are we at? We're in FOMO land. It feels like we're in FOMO land. I'm actually considering a long from here, but we're going to wait. Because patience will prevail. Okay? I would like to see a breakout retest, continuation. 64.65 is my target. What do I mean by that? Let's go into some bigger time frames. Okay, so yes, if we look at the trend, you were talking about this trend being broken. Yes, we have broken that. You could draw one here too if you want to. You want to continue to draw, lines. I like drawing lines. I don't like lines. However, I would like to see a retest back down to here. That would be around 59.5 if we are going to continue this pump to the moon. However, the key thing right now, we need to understand this, is getting above this high here. Okay, closing above here is going to be the critical area for us to get above, okay? Can we do it? Maybe. Can we do it? Maybe, right? The thing is, we'll have to wait and find out. What is important right now is that we have some healthy retracement, in my opinion. Everything is up only, and I think getting into that mindset where we're not coming back and grabbing liquidity from below somewhere in here is going to be dangerous, okay? It's going to make it hard for continuation. Yes, we've put in a solid base, but we haven't really had that, healthy retracement. We like to call it healthy, right? It makes us sound better, but nonetheless, we want a retracement. Now, everything on the higher term time frames, my friends, is a little bit overextended. Let me put the chat back over here so I can see what you guys are saying and all the smack you guys are talking. I can see you talking smack. I don't like tranny lines. That's okay. They make us money, so. Good morning, L. Jones. Good morning, Curtis Neal. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, so what we see here on the higher term time frames is massive pushes up, obviously, and beautiful weekly candle close incoming, okay? Remember, we said, and CryptoFace says this, in golf, you get the same size candle the same way up, okay? Very easy technical analysis. It worked, okay? It worked. Unless we crash over the weekend, okay? So very nice move. However, we would like to see us get above these highs here, changing the trend and giving us a opportunity for a higher low and continuation onwards and out, okay? That's what we want. Doesn't necessarily mean that's what we're going to get, okay? So that would be ideal. Whether we stop here and we stall out is okay. This is what I've been calling since this, I've been calling this pattern a bigger version of this pattern, right? This one's like the big brother of this one, okay? So this looks bullish, however, a little bit overextended now, right, with the VWAP. Look at the VWAP here. What happened over here is VWAP pushed up, retraced, and then continued up. So pushed up, retraced, then continued up. That's what I would like to see on our weekly time frame. This will take time, okay? So these are things to keep in mind. We are looking for this to push up, confirm the green dot. Looks like we will confirm with this candle, and off we go. Same with the 5-day, same with the 3-day. Okay, three days confirmed, 4 days confirmed. Overextended, okay? Overextended on VWAP, trying to cross the zero line on a lot of the higher term time frames, which in my opinion is bullish. Reclaiming this 50 line, look at it. Every time we've come up, we've gotten rejected, okay? So reclaiming this and starting to oscillate up here spells for up only, okay? So that's something I'm looking for as well. Looking over here, what do we see? We're curving over, okay? Money flow is still red. However, we can get a bounce off the zero line on the daily. This thing continued to rip, okay? It's very, very nice. And you can see us getting above the 50 line here on our daily. Very nice move for stochastics. So if we do this, that's fine. This can still continue upwards, okay? Going in for today, let's get ready for today, right? That's the whole point of this stream, is we try to take advantage of price action in the short term. So understanding that we are a bit overextended on our 12-hour VWAP crossing to the downside could be possible bearish. We're going to get a couple of 12-hour candles today, so we'll see how that works out. However, the 4 flattening out. Okay, so this thing here can stay very, very irrelevant to what we want. Okay, money is thick as ever, so this thing can just do this for quite some time. So what we look for is we look for the 4-hour VWAP to reset. When I look for that 4-hour VWAP to reset, that can be an absolute banger of a trade. Look at it here. It reset. It popped back through. What happened? Okay, look at it. Reset. So VWAP comes down, reset. Look at the banger of a trade all the way up. Okay, same with here. VWAP resets. Banger of a trade. Okay, you see that there? Banger of a trade, right? Very, very easy confluence on an uptrend. You can see that you get this crossover on the VWAP trigger, right? So very easy trade. So that's kind of what we look for here with money flow coming in, right? It's so imperative that money is coming in. So that's one thing I'm looking for today, is if we can start to roll back in. Another thing is flattening out here, pushing up this way. I'm looking for curvature. Stochastics is very overbought. Nonetheless, money is still green. So we don't try to fight the trend. Okay, that's going to be very, very key here. Okay. Coming down here. This VWAP crossover is what I'm going to be eyeing up today. Okay. Keeping that very simple. However, with price action right now, you can simply see that what is quite interesting is that like we haven't really retraced fully. So like this is flagging out, and you can see like if I'm going to draw this, like I don't know, I would look for that breakout up to that 64,000, right? So that's going to be key. But what concerns me is this move here, right? That's the concern here, is that we haven't really retraced. So we'll have to be patient for now. Yeah, liquidity created down below here. We have an order block down below here. Lots and lots of liquidity and order blocks to be taken. And I mean, we could go into our heat map and we understand that there is liquidity above us, but nonetheless, like major liquidity is either down here or at 70,000, right? You are right about 70,000 where the liquidity resides. We all know the short squeeze is on right now, but we up only is not healthy for markets, okay? I'm too impatient. I want time frames spraying out right now. Yeah, I agree, Curtis Neal. Hit the likes, folks. Yeah, 120 people here and 40 likes. That sounds like you on the lines still. What lines, NW? Good morning to you, man. Good morning from Markham. Good morning, bro. Mad love, bro. L. Jones, you ever use spider lines? No, I have not. I mean, they're trend lines, right? They're macro trend lines. If you want to, I use trend lines, so I can't say trend lines are bad. I just use a different type of trend line, right? I use volume and candle closes versus big pivot zones, right? Like if you want to draw, I've watched a video on how he does them, base obviously, where he's bringing them through this point, right? And then he's drawing it up and then he's stretching it back out. I don't know. And then, yeah, I mean, they're all good. They're all points of reference. This is how you use the tool and how you think about the tool, right? Like you can see, like I absolutely like trend lines. Don't get it twisted, right? However, I find ones that work for me, and I use that as points of references. Hey, team, slap the like, says Michael. What's going on? 2021 Q4 was up only. Yeah, so we look to jump on the crazy train if we get the signs, okay? Right now, we need that higher high. That higher high is going to be the critical point of this broadening wedge to break out, right? Because all we've done, and you know, some people are drawing cup and handles here, right? Broadening wedge here, breakout, right? All we've done is retrace. That's all we've done. Okay? That's all we've done. So we look for continuation. 6 months of pain. Or if you're with us, 6 months of range trading, and range trading is 70% of the game, okay? Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, man? Dave Digital's like is 61, man. Awesome. Awesome. I appreciate you, bro. So moving all the way up here, we can see that we've simply continued to push. Let's put this in trend line small here. We have that one. We have that one. Let's add this one here. Okay. And then we can also add this one here. And we'll keep those organized over here, putting that in here. And then we'll get into the nitty gritty. So what are we looking for today? Okay. Try to draw some diagonal lines and then toggle the log button. Okay. I like that. Need rollerblades for that mountain climb, says David Brumbelow. He knows what's going on, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We got an hour and just under an hour before market opens. So looking a little bit exhausted here. The bear divs are not diving, okay? So we got the big bear div here on the 1 hour. As you can see, boop, boop. Will we continue down? You don't want to fight this trend right now. So we're going to be looking for possible SFPs down below here, maybe below here. That would be good. We can possibly target that. We can look for a breakout, retest, continuation today. We can also look for a rollover, right? So liquidity grab coming back down maybe within this area. That would be healthy. So there's a lot of options. It's just making sure that we are building confluence within our reasoning, okay? Can we find any confluences for some downside? So the downside confluence is obviously the bear div. So we're making higher highs, but we are diving, okay? Money's coming out on the shorter term time frames, and we have created a lot of liquidity. We got vector candles on the way up here. So this would be my major target. Like if we're going to roll over today, we're looking to come down into here, okay? That's going to be the ideal target, is to come down to around 61,500 if we're going to roll over, okay? If this bear div plays out and money comes out, that would be the ideal target. If we break out, we understand that our ideal upside is 64,800. This is where we will make that new high, okay? This is the area where we're looking to get above so that we can make a new high, and then the retracement can happen, but that's still, we have finally put in a higher high, which is important on a macro, okay? So we have two key areas that we are targeting. We're kind of stuck in the middle. We're in the hot dog zone, right? I always talk about trading the buns, right? We want to trade the buns. However, we can possibly take advantage of some of this today, so we'll hopefully be able to find some trades this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 140 people in here. That's pretty awesome, man. Pretty wild. If you guys don't mind, I'd appreciate it if you'd smack up that like button. It helps the channel. And if you are new here, subscribe. Come over and hang out with us. We have an incredible Discord full of like-minded people who seem to be playing the drums and hanging out here. We also have $1 a day paid part of the Discord where we give trade setups. Kyle gave a beautiful short trade setup last night. Okay, you guys get all the ideas, all the thoughts. You get free live streams, all that kind of stuff. So just trying to help you guys make money and develop your trading strategy. Obviously, we would love to have you. There is a very, very active free section as well. So come over and hang out with us. We're glad to have you, and all that fun. All that fun, okay? So looks like we're getting a little bit of a rollover here. I'm going to keep this on the 24. I'm going to go into here, turn on my scalp template, and let's get rolling. What can we find so far? For me, I've got a couple of ideas, okay? So we got that breakout here that we're looking for. We also have we got a 382 bounce level, which matches up perfectly with this area that we're interested in here at around 62,000, okay? Within that area. We also have that target area, right? Back down in here. So we'll see how price reacts right now. However, we're in this shitty triangle just below VWAP, okay? So we need some direction, right? So these are our highs, these are our lows, right? So Right now, we need some sort of decision. We've currently bounced off our golden pocket from here. Okay. We've currently bounced off our golden pocket from here. If we're going from swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high, we've done it here as well. So you can see that. We've bounced off here. We've bounced off here. Okay, continuation to the upside. Now, can we continue? That is the question, right? So breakout, retest, continuation, right? If you took the breakout, retest, continuation here, you would have been laughing, right? Look at this. Breakout, retest, continuation, right? Very easy trades if taken properly. This requires patience because you get excited and you think you're going to miss the move here. That's the problem with these is you're like, "Oh my god, we're going to the moon here," and you don't wait long enough for it to do this and then bounce, okay? That's your easy long trade setup right here last night at around 10 o'clock. Okay, so adding those confluence, you got a bullish divergence as well. So bullish divergence, right? Pushing you up, money's green, looking for continuation. Beautiful continuation trade, okay? Very, very easy if you're patient. If you're not patient, you're going to get wrecked. So now we wait, right? Now we wait. So as we're getting closer to the, what would this be? The apex of the triangle. You're right at the point of the control. You're right at the VWAP. There's no trade to be had here yet. Okay, there's no trade. You want to see decision in where we're looking to go, and we don't have that yet. So we're going to be patient and wait for the trade setup to come to us, and that's going to be key, okay? Now, a lot of chop this morning. No real decision on direction. Now, do we have anything on our calendar? What is this saying here? So we got our BOJ, Bank of Japan, from yesterday. Does anybody know what the reading was? It's not showing up here. It was You can't go from yesterday? Doesn't let me go from yesterday. So we got the BOJ. I think it was bullish. I'm not exactly sure. This is why I probably should use Forex Factory. Maybe Forex Factory has the BOJ on it here. Got to go back a day. Japan BOJ rate policy. Here we are. Yeah, 0.25. So it came in as expected. Okay, so that's bullish. That's good. Okay, so there is a way of finding it. You see here. I like the calendar is just easier for me to read. Okay, I don't like things being difficult. We got people speaking today. Whoop-de-doo. I don't think that'll be Fed Harker today at 2. I don't know if that will be anything. And then Great Britain retail sales this morning, which came in slightly positive. So that's good. Getting a little push here. Understanding where the heat map is saying liquidity is. Okay, so we got shorts above us at 64,000. And then look at that area that we were talking about, right around 60,000 as well. There's a lot of liquidity down below there too, right? So we understand that. This liquidity in here, okay? And all this liquidity in here. Got a couple of trends coming into these areas, so a little bit of patience. But to me, right now, I'm really hoping and I'm thinking we get up to here and then we come back down. That would be ideal. But that's just the thought, right? The thought doesn't really matter. The execution matters, right? We always want to make sure that we're looking to take advantage of price action. Okay, so we got a double trigger in here with VWAP coming in. That's bullish. Okay, 3-minute curving to the upside. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait here. I want to see this, or I would prefer to see this. I'd prefer to see that. But they're probably going to get everybody FOMO long, rip it back down on their heads, and then continue. We'll probably look for a VWAP retest then. Yeah, so if VWAP's coming across here, right? They rip it up, bring it back, and that's where we get long. Okay. I gotta go make coffee. Yeah, I mean, I came double dip today. I'm gonna top us up right now. Good morning to everybody here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Say hello in the chat. Would love to say hello to you. Thank you for being here. We have our plan. We have our ideas. We know what we're looking for. There's definitely liquidity above us here. We can pull a fib from swing high to swing low here and just kind of get a little idea of where we could possibly see a rejection. If this is our low, we'll go from high to low here. And then just understand, okay, we've had that one there. So the idea would be to come back and grab this, in my opinion. So looking for this area. That would be your liquidity up in here. And then you're looking for your liquidity down in here as well. Okay, a couple of areas of liquidity definitely that we're interested in. Like we said, we're in the middle of the burger, right? Like you're definitely not looking to jump into this just yet. We have a golden pocket 786, a little bit below there, right? So you can see that swing failure pattern into here and the bounce out, or we can look for the breakout retest continuation. All on the table. Right now we're on the 5-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame. I flip between the 3-minute, the 8-minute, then I confirm on the 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you guys know, we're gonna get 6, 7, 8, maybe 1 hour candles, and then we're gonna get 3, 4, 2 hours, 3 hours, and then a couple 4 hours, right? So we try to base our thesis, our trading plan on that. You can see we're overextended. We're looking for the VWAP crossover here on the hourly time frames to come and push price back up. We're looking for curvature on momentum waves, and we're looking for VWAP crossovers. Okay, also on the 2 hour, same thing, flattening out, looking for that VWAP crossover and curvature back to the upside. Same with the 1 hour. Okay, we've gotten rejected off of the 0 line. That's okay. We're looking for posturing back up into the 0 line. Okay, the 0 line is going to be kind of what dictates this. Bear divs across the board, so therefore, favoring downside, but trying not to fight the trend. Okay, so we got bear divs, but the trend is up. Money, follow the money. The money is green. So the money is suggesting we continue. However, we need to reset. Okay, not reset these, but price action needs to move like this, right? So we want to be able to buy these dips. Right? Are we getting one right now? Quite possibly. We can see a little bit of curvature happening here on the 1 hour, suggesting we could be bouncing. We have to wait and find out. We still have about 45 minutes till market opens, so that's going to be a waiting game, which none of you guys like. You don't like being patient with me, and that's okay. I don't mind. I'll be the patient one and then we'll compare at the end of the day. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, good times, good times. Lurkers in the back. Can you say hello? I would love to say hello to some lurkers. Like, hello, good morning. Says, thought it was Friday. It is Friday, man. Good name for today, man. Good name for today. Sausage without the bun, no go. Exactly. You guys know exactly. GBK Trading, good to see you. Good morning to you. John Foster Crypto. Darren Does Things. J Armo, good morning to you. JP, great analysis, Alex. Loving it. Appreciate you, JP. I go make coffee. Need a big one, says Michael. Neutral didn't change. J Ford YOZ, good to see you. Mexon, 0.25%. Yeah, that's the BOJ. Afternoon. Good afternoon. Trade Intuition in here. Dave Brumbelow. Mad Love. Jeanette, good morning to you. Jeanette, hope you're having a wonderful day. Bluff City Breaks. Hopefully you're doing well. Wick 589. Damn fine. Good to see you guys as well. All you lurkers in there, good morning to you guys. Hope you're having the wonderful, wonderful Friday that it is. Make sure we go touch some grass this weekend. My patience was -7. Now it's 8 out of 10. Oh, Michael can only hear me yelling, be patient, be patient, be patient. Good morning, Jay Becker. Good morning to you, Michael B. good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Crypto Vol with the eyeballs. Ron Johns Jr., good to see you. Is there a bear equivalent to the double green dot? So if you want to, you can always stack confluence with market cipher. So that's the greatest thing. If this is market cipher, right? You got VWAP, you got momentum waves, and you got money flow, and then you have the stochastics, right? So you have 4 things to build confluence, right? So if you're on, let's say the 1 hour looked kind of bearish, okay? Okay, so the 1 hour, if you're getting, let's say bear divs, right? Money coming out, crossing the 0 line, even just on an aggressive downtrend, right? And you're getting a VWAP crossover at the same time with stochastics. Stochastics, to me, is very much you need to understand with stochastics the 0 line and trends. So when you are above the 0 line, you're mostly on an uptrend, okay? When you're below the 0 line, you're mostly in a downtrend, okay? It's not so much about crossing over and stuff like that. It's about where you are in relation to the trend. And it's also a very good tool when you see separation, okay? So there's separation that occurs when you're coming down. So you can see separation here. Separation here. Okay, and when the separation comes, price will snap back to a certain direction, okay? And that's a very good tool. So stacking confluence is always going to be critical when using market cipher, and it's going to help you make a better decision, right? If you want to see a very bearish area, right? So what I would suggest is go throughout your chart, okay? Go throughout your chart and mark areas where you want to get short. I would like to short there. I would like to short here. 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 I would like to short continuation, short here. I would like to short here. I would like to short here. And then go and look at it. Do your research, right? Go and look at just Alt V, all these levels, and what are you looking for, right? You know that these are all areas that you want to short, right? So you go in, you look at what market cipher is doing at the top here, right? What do you have? Okay, you're at the top here. You have an SFP, bear div. Okay, this did swing fail. It didn't show up on Bybit. Okay, you have money flattening out, rolling over. Okay, so look at how steep money comes out over here. So continuation. You get your bear div, you wait for your break of structure, your retest, and you're rolling over. Look at money coming out. Look at your bear div. Look at your stochastic rolling over, turning red all the way down. So multiple confluences. Where do you execute? Well, I would say the VWAP crossover, because the VWAP is the quick moving one. So the VWAP crossover is actually right here. That's where you would have shorted. Right there. On your 1 hour. Pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool. Or you could look for the VWAP retest and second crossover to maybe add. Oh, look at that. Look how aggressive money came out. Right? VWAP retest to add. Whee! Okay. And by doing that, you're going to give yourself the ideas that you want to have when you're going into a short. You're not going to learn unless you look, right? So if you go back, you do back testing, go mark out all the places where you want a long, all the places you want to short. I suggest going through, marking all the places you want to short in one color, go out and do all that, and then change the color to whatever, green, where you want a long, and then go mark out all the places you want too long. So you have 2 different vertical lines, and therefore you can see where you want a long, where you want a short, and by doing that you can see what is happening on your oscillator and what things are you going to be looking for when trading, right? You can see we got bear divs here. Money is still flat. Okay, a little rejection off the VWAP. No reason to completely short this because of how thick the money is, and that's going to make This money is always going to be king. Always follow the money. However, momentum is coming out, okay? Bearish divergence. We're waiting for that money to roll over, really. That's what we want to see. If the money rolls over, then the bear divs are going to bear div, okay? For now, we're looking for this. Like, we are in an aggressive uptrend. We are looking to catch this next low. Wherever this is, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this here. We're looking for this here, okay? That's what we're looking for, right? Trend is always going to trump. Trend, price action, then whatever other tools you want to add to that, and then you go from there, okay? And that's going to make you much more efficient and much more patient, because you're going to wait for what you want to see. You're not just going to be like, yeah, this looks good. I'm going to go long in the middle of this range and hope for the best, man. And that's called gambling. So we don't trade like retail here. We want to be setting the trap. Okay, we set the trap. We have the idea. We wait for confluence. We wait for confirmation. We take the trade. Do we look at heat maps as well? Absolutely. So we looked at heat maps at the beginning. You know, liquidation heat maps aren't the be all end all. All I want from a liquidation heat map is where are traders trapped? That's all I want to know, right? So if I go into a liquidation heat map, we pull this up, is where the heck are traders trapped, okay? Traders are trapped at the top, okay, and at this low here. So, right, we have the highs to take, so that's a target. We have this low to take, right around 57,000, okay? We have the high to take, which we're close to. So we are in an uptrend. We do want to see them take that 65,000 area. That's going to be critical. We know that most traders are trapped at the highs. If we go into our 6 months, we can see that most of them are trapped at the highs, okay? Look at all the trapped traders up high. Shorten this thing, right? So we're using the heat map not as like this is the Bible. We need to follow it. Like I don't know how to explain it. We're using it for ideas, right? Okay, people are getting short up here. There's some liquidity above us, but most of it is people still in their longs from that impulse move up here, right? So we want to be aware that even though we have moved up here, this impulse move right here is where the juicy liquidity resides, okay? This is where that thing is really hot, right? So this is a very big target that we were talking about earlier. So we understand that this is a close target just as much as this swing high that we would like to see. Remember, we don't get what we like generally. This high up here for that macro high is going to be a big target as well, right? So when we zoom out here, we understand that, hey, we want to see this high taken over here. That would be critical for a macro kind of uptrend to start forming because we're making a higher high. However, we're not necessarily going to get what we want. Understanding that, this is probably more likely because we're overextended here. Now, we're waiting for money to come out aggressively. We can see triple money flow coming out here on our 30-minute. That's a little bit more enticing. However, you don't want to fight this trend right now. So we try to position ourselves as best as possible, but we got to understand with the heat map, it's not going to necessarily make us, trade those levels exactly. It's going to definitely provide us with areas of where we're looking to target for potentials. Our entries, our exits, and all that stuff is going to be based on the TA, price action, market cipher, and what we see in the charts. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of trading is basically decision making, up, down, and time, right? That's all we have to deal with. So for me, it's like, how can I position myself where I can manage risk, manage my mindset, not overexpose myself, and look to target key areas, right? See, a lot of people wanting to FOMO long here. They see, what did they see? They didn't get long last night at 10 o'clock because they went to bed. They woke up, they see BOJ explosion upwards, Now they can see a perfect retrace. They're looking for the continuation, right? So retail's probably looking to long this. They're thinking up only. They're seeing all the open mouth thumbnails across the internet, and they're just thinking, hey, man, I want to open my mouth too, right? I want to join the open mouth people. And that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to see what is going to be given to us. We're right at the VWAP point of control. There's no reason to, if anything, you'd be shorting here, right? Failure to get above here, looking for a rollover, coming back, grabbing liquidity in here. That's what I would be looking for. But no trade so far. It's 9 o'clock. Thank you guys for being here. We got over 170 people in here, 86 likes. God bless you guys. Mad love. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, and helping me support you. Hopefully we can find a lot of trades. But right now, it's chopping. It's chopping. Let's go and see if we can find some beautiful open mouth thumbnails in the cryptocurrency world. Okay, so we always praise Tino. Tino, Cones Trading, Randy Hipper. That's not like fully open mouth. She's more like shocked. So we don't make fun of Miss Teen Crypto. She's a great person. Okay, so what do we got in here? Okay, there's this guy is always on the list, man. Like always, man. Am I going to get in trouble for this? Probably. Sorry, not sorry, but like, come on, man. You got to be going to a freak out. What are they called? Freak something? What are they called? Freakouts? I don't know, man. I don't know. Freak? What are they called? That's too much for me, man. But Sheldon, I'm sorry, bro, but you're always on the list, man. You're always on the list. Okay, we've done good here. We've done good here. Okay, AJ writes, crypto, you're pushing it, but your market cipher family. There's another one who always does it, okay? Always does it. Rover, okay? We know you bought expensive things, you live in. Always, man. Always. I have totally, just like I boycotted Tim Hortons, I'm boycotting open mouth thumbnails, okay? I don't like watching too many people do TA. It ruins my my analysis. The only person I really watch for analysis is Eric Crown, but his is very technical and it doesn't really have to. It doesn't really. It's not like biased, right? So I think it's always important to look at the statistics. I love Face, obviously. Geo has some good stuff as well. Maybe his mouth is open. Maybe his mouth is open 24/7. Yeah, maybe we'll give them the benefit of the doubt and just say they have lockjaw and they're just stuck in that position. Otter suit. So if I fall off the mountain, I died with the gang. Let's go. Crux of Crypto in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good morning to you, bro. Good morning. Sheldon is so great. I'm sure he's great. Oh man, you guys deep throats. They're so goofy. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I needed to humble myself. Like I was part of the open mouth thumbnail gang, okay? I'm not saying I'm innocent. I'm not. I swore these off because I realized that, my channel, if we go over here, has grown without it. So we go over to videos. We go to the oldest. Guys, I'm part of the... Look at this, man. This is when I was new, man. 2 years ago, I had no idea. I had no idea what I was... Look at these horrible thumbnails, man. I wouldn't click on these, would you? I even put Santa hats on myself, man. Look at that one. That was good. This is 17K Bitcoin, guys. Oh, yeah.
What happened? We'll be looking at the
This
charts.
is me
We'll be getting
in
good
Australia.
And
Is this in
seeing
Australia?
What will be respected. What
This is in the
is our
UK.
thought.
I think this is in the UK.
Boom.
This is in the UK.
Rather than just levels, because
I'm
we
in the
try
UK.
to get you guys as much information
61
in a
views.
small amount of time
Okay,
as
look at this
possible.
guy.
So don't forget.
But I was part of the. It took me about 4 months to never do it again. Okay, then I got off of it, and it was an addiction. Okay, I went to open mouth Thumbnails Anonymous. Okay, and I said, hey, my name is Alex, and I have a problem opening my mouth on thumbnails. And then they said, okay, so did we. And then they threw a cucumber at me, and I stopped doing it. We keep the videos up for culture. We can tell it's you. It's in the UK since you have an accent there. Yeah. Hello, you're right. I lived in the UK for 2 years and Australia for a year, and I've been back in Canada for a year, okay? I went traveling for 3 years during COVID and all that shit. We got 101 likes, 101 Dalmatians, 101 otters in the chat. What's going on? Thank you guys for smashing them like buttons. I mean, amazing live streams lately. We've been crushing the trade. So looking for the liquidity grab down below. Will we get it? Nobody knows except for the otter gang. So let's see what we get here. Oop. Okay, we're getting a little bull divvy. Little bull divvy rollover. We got 25 minutes till market opens. We'll see what is given to us. Okay. So we know liquidity resides at these lows here and at these lows over here. We could be looking for a potential bounce here. Look at how choppy we were around our VWAP. Okay, so failure to get above our VWAP, rolling over here, looking to come back into this area here. I would like to make this a little bit more concise. Looking for that. Will we get here? Potentially. I mean, this would have to be a very cheap trade. And we're looking to get up to that liquidity. Maybe even take it a little bit higher and get those highs. Okay, that key area above us that we identified earlier, right around here. Oof. Okay, we'll add that there. Looking to get up there. Can we bounce? We're not taking this right away. We're going to wait for a little bit of a reaction on price, okay? I think I'm going to copy trade you today if you're specific about the details. The thing is I don't want to be too specific and pacific because I don't want people taking my trades blindly. I can't stress that enough, is that you need to learn how to TA your damn self, okay? You need to learn how to do the by yourself, okay? Can't be, I want you to fish, man. I want you to fish. In Canada, we encourage fishing, okay? We encourage fishing, but we don't like copycats, okay? We want you guys to be able to fish for your dang selves, okay? Make your own dang decisions, okay? Dang it. Yeah, my allergies are horrible today. I need to take an antihistamine. My God. Oh my God, he said Talong here. I took Talong and I got wrecked. Yeah, my trades are fast. Quick, in and out like a good boy scout, as they say. God bless you too, Dave Digital. Thank you for being here, bro. Hawk Tua on that TA. Hawk Tua. Let's go. All right, looking for the bounce here. Trend line, we'll see. Liquidity grab. To me, it's more likely to come down here, right? However, the more we deviate from VWAP, the better. If we come down here, that would be good. That would be a nice juicy rollover here. You can see the money coming out here on the short-term time frames. Okay, nice little rollover. Little bounce here, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what we get. We'll see. We about to get 62K, Mr. Otter. Are you in Minnesota? Nah, man. We're in Canada. We're near Toronto. We're near Toronto, man. Thank you guys for being here. 150 people in here. God bless every single one of you. Happy Friday to you guys. Happy Friday. Thank you for being here. Come over and hang out in our free Discord section. You might want to consider joining the paid section, which is only $1 a day, $20 a month. I mean, for what is delivered, I mean, I think it's the cheapest, bestest, super duper Discord ever. But I mean, I'm biased. The Otter family, you know. We gotta crank up a new dad joke. Let's see what we got. So the dad joke now is definitely, why did the M&M go to school? Because it wanted to be a smarty. Oh, that was bad. They're better than the book, though. Minnesota is Canada, eh? Yeah. Worzen says we still haven't filled the CME gap at 55,000. Yeah. Oh man, that would be painful for a lot of people, right? I mean, we don't care. We'll short the shit out of it, but that would be painful. So breakout, retest for a short possibly coming up. Unless we zip back aggressively here, we're looking for lower. Okay, nice rollover here. Putting in a lower low. Okay, not looking to fight this thing. We would like to see a bounce back, continuation up. Otherwise, we're rolling over. Okay? Rolling over. A little bit overextended here on our 24. Look at the VWAP. As we can see, VWAP coming down. I also suggest you put, David Brumbelow told me this, but you put a -10 and a 10 line on your chart here on Market Cipher, and it gives you an overbought and an oversold for your VWAP. Pretty useful, in my opinion. Thank you, David Brumbelow. This is why we have community and like-minded people trying to work together. Okay. Allison Jordy, good morning. Good morning to you. Look at the rollover here. Dave's talking about some EMAs. Look at that. Punch. Bang. That's why you don't go short, or that's why you don't go long right away. Look at that volume coming in, pushing through. 911. Somebody call the Popos. What's the number for 911? Okay. Pushing through. A little bit of volume coming in there, as you can see. Look at the volume push. Okay. You can visualize that. But it's something, they're trying to push in to this order block within here. Okay, very simple order block and liquidity residing down below us here. So this is our new target as we continue to push. No trade yet. Okay, we are pushing past our golden pocket, probably our 786 area. Okay, so we're going to eliminate this, but this is good. Looking for a continuation follow through here. We'll see if we do come down. In Toronto, we learn how to fish. In Lake Ontario, we get that Pickering nuclear power plant fish. It's true. You got to go north, man. You got to go north to fish. You got to go up to Georgian Bay. I mean, you don't want to be fishing in the Don River. I'll tell you that much. And get some gutted carp. Oh man. Oh man. David Brumbelow says, "You're welcome." That's it. Credit where credit. That's the thing, man. I can tell. I'll always be honest to where people have helped me, and I will always give credit to where credit is due, my man. That's not my trick. That was you, man, and I appreciate you for that. It's helped me make a lot of money, right? But that's the thing, right? Your community is going to be an edge, and if your community isn't being honest and transparent with what they're doing and how they're doing it, then what the heck are you doing there, right? You want to have someone. I mean, in our community, we're very much involved. I'm always on the Discord. You can ask me anything. We even have an Ask Alex Anything section, okay? You guys asked me some weird-ass questions lately. We went on a whole spiel about carpentry and tools the other day. Even people want to chat to me in private. I'll talk to you in private. I mean, it's kind of weird, but we can talk in private. No worries. But I mean, I think that's the thing. attentive here. Look at Kyle, stopped out a remaining position. See, letting you guys know how to go, right? That's it, right? Like, just a great level of respect and responsibility. My mom worked at the Pickering power plant. That's wild. I don't have any friends who work there. I have a couple of friends who work at the Honda plant in Alliston. We call them Hondroids. Oh man. Noted. No open mouth thumbnails. Thanks, bro. Looking like we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. A little bit. Not much. Okay. Waiting for this. This is also on the table now, in my opinion. This is also on the table. Oopsie. Come on. Thank you. We'll see if we get there. You know the Don River? I had an injectant as a kid because me and my friends went swimming in the Don. Yeah, that's it, man. The Don River, man. It's where like kids would like throw. I mean, people like it's nasty, man. You go into Don River, you're catching a disease, man. That's for sure. Nice little dump here on BTC, rolling over. Whew. Grabbing some liquidity, baby. Grabbing some liquidity. So getting into the standard deviations as well, looking for a potential long around 62,600. Okay, we'll see if we get there. Let's see. Yeah, coming up to a key level of support as we speak right now. Okay, looking for this to punch through and bounce. We'll see if we get it. Nice breakdown, okay? Nice breakdown here. Nice breakdown. Now we're coming into our liquidity zone, into our key level of support. Okay, big sweep here coming into market open. We got 14 minutes till market opens, bouncing off of our key level of support so far. We'll see if this can continue to follow through. Okay, a nice rollover here for Bitcoin. Nice rollover. See, there was no you could have shorted VWAP here. Failing to flip VWAP would have been a trade, not at a key level of resistance too. So there was multiple confluences with that, bouncing off of our support level right now as we speak. So possible long coming up in here. This could be just a major liquidity grab. We'll have to wait and find out. But nice bounce into our liquidity zone as well. Okay. For me right now, not looking to be overly exposed to a long. We know that we've been up only for a little bit. We need to be patient here. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. This is aggressive. This is aggressive before market open. Okay. So putting in a low before market open would be nice. We know there's a lot of trap traders going long right now. Everybody's long bias, and that's okay. We're trying to be level-headed as we can. Just waiting. Now this is on the table. Remember, this is on the table here. Retest, continuation down. Okay, retest, continuation down. That's around 63,120. $63,120 for a potential short. We've come down and grabbed some liquidity. I don't know if we've grabbed all of it. Okay. So we're either looking for an aggressive push back into here, rejection down, or we're looking for the SFP down in here, bullish divergence. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Waiting. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you're having a wonderful Friday. We got 180 people in here. God bless every single one of you. Hopefully you're having a great day. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate your support. Hopefully we can continue to help you. Every single day this week we have had a winning trade. So, I mean, we've been crushing it. Last week we were crushing it as well. So I think the proof's in the pudding. We just keep showing up, doing our best. I mean, the only reason why we've changed our live streams is because we used to do, your analysis on your altcoins and all that stuff, and that's all fine and dandy. But I do this every morning. This is my job. So we do this, and we just figured we'd share it with you guys. You guys can see into my brain and how I'm thinking throughout my trading day, and hopefully that can be beneficial to you. I think the numbers don't lie. It shows that you guys are enjoying me doing live trading sessions. So I'll just keep doing what you guys seem to enjoy, because we're traders helping traders. I think that's the best thing about this, is that I've gone full-time trading for over a year now, and hopefully I can help you guys build that life of freedom and time for yourselves, right? I think that's what we're trying to do here to the best of our ability. And that's why we have an amazing community here, built on kindness. I think that's the best part about the community, is it's built on kindness, okay? We don't need no douchebags around. We're here to work together and solve this complex puzzle, which is the market, okay? We got market open in 10 minutes. Pretty nice rollover here, but nothing to shake a leaf at, right? Like, really just haven't taken the low here, okay? To suggest, a change in structure to the downside. A nice little rollover. Liquidity grab so far, but nothing just yet. Nothing just yet. Really liking this Discord/channel. Been here since yesterday. Atlas Prime, thank you for joining, man. We're glad to have you, and hopefully we can continue to serve and help you on your trading journey as well. I think Bafser Super Degen. What's going on, guys? No edge, says Food for Bitcoin. Yeah, there's nothing here yet. We wait. I need that antihistamine. Forgot to take it this morning. No edge. Steve H in the chat. What's going on? We got Brewberry in here. Jonathan Schaefer. We got a whole bunch of OGs. Sniper's Nightmare. They've been here for over 2 years. You guys are wild, man. I love you guys. I love the OGs, man. They've been here forever. Traders helping traders, man. They're all traders. They're all here. Good people. I love you guys, man. Tony Soprano. The OGs. Brewberry in the chat. Brewberry is also a teacher in our paid section, man. This guy's got some smart money concepts up his sleeve. What's Brewberry looking at right now? All right, we got a flashbang here, but we've rolled over looking for the retest, similar trade to mine. Beautiful. You got liquidity grab down below here. Beautiful. You have an SFP of the high. I like that as well. You also have the order block down below in here. I love it, Brewberry. See, here's your ideas. This is just beautiful. You're a goat, man. I love you, bro. We're going to give you some otterly love, man. Some otterly love. And that's it, right? That's it. Just trying to give ourselves a opportunity to win, right? To win. Okay, price is coming up here. Price is coming up here, baby. Let's go. We're gonna continue to roll over. Looking for this right now. Retest the previous lows. Come on, baby. Come into Papa. 7 minutes till market opens. All is well. Okay, looking for this. We'll see if we roll over after a little retest, baby. Let's go, little retest and roll over. Wrecking all these bulls. Friday dump. Friday has been absolutely, if we look at last Friday, bullish as bleep, right? We got last Friday's, where is that last Friday? Where's last Friday? That was here? No. Where's last Friday? Oh my God. Am I blind? Thursday, Friday. Right here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday. That was it. This was the one. Oopsie. Can't draw. Can't stop till you get it on. Come on. That breakout. Oof. What a Friday that was. Only to come back and wreck everyone. Okay, so be aware of the environment as well, my friends. Wrecking bulls, wrecking bears. Wrecking in our underwears. Okay, push down, continuation. No trades so far, just waiting. Just waiting, just waiting. Okay, this is pretty aggressive. Going into market open, we got 5 minutes. What's the S&P looking like? Hi, do you guys use Market Cipher from CryptoFace? Absolutely. CryptoFace does sponsor this channel. If you were wondering, CryptoFace does sponsor the channel. He put me on, man. He put me on. He calls it Alexo Crypto. Oh, man. Face has been absolutely crushing it lately, man. Mad love to him and FG and Nick Cipher and the Market Cipher family. They've been really kind to me and helpful on my journey, and just the king reaching out and having faith in you, to represent the brand, to do right by people was enough for me, man. It's enough for me. So we'll continue to show up as we always do. That's our rules. We just show up and do our best, man. Show up and do our best, and hopefully we can help some people change their lives. We're going to be on Trading Wars. Crypto Keeper has reached out to me yet again, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to be on Trading Wars. I think that's going to be in like 3 weeks. So that's going to be a hell of a time, man. I can't wait for some Trading Wars. Go and take some money from some people, man. Oh, man. Trading Wars is a good time. Bunch of good people on there. I'm going to go in there and try to kick some ass. We couldn't be on. We did TA for Keeper on the last one because we had our newborn child. So hopefully we'll be able to participate and kick some ass this time. So it's going to be a good one. Looking forward to that. Stuck in the middle here. They're trapping traders right now. Real indecision moment. Okay, going into market open. Let's look at the S&P. S&P rolling over here. We do have a gap below us here. We have made new all-time highs on the S&P. Okay, so nice look for the S&P. Looking at this, really just pushing out of this, getting out here. I wouldn't be surprised if we do, retest the high before continuing out, but a nice move for the S&P. Looking strong. The NASDAQ as well on an absolute terror, okay? Okay, absolute ripper to the upside on the NASDAQ. A big recovery here. It's got some work to do, but still making a new high. I wouldn't be surprised a retest continuation, right? So looking good throughout. The Russell trying to get into expansion. Similar tops right now. Expansion means getting above really 2,400 here. That's going to be expansion for the Russell, which is bullish for risk on assets, okay? Keeping our eyes peeled on these things. The Dixie is holding on for dear life. This is like the final straw here. Hopefully we can break the camel's back and get down below 100 level. We'll see if we get there, okay? The Dixie's just barely holding on here. So hopefully we see this thing die and Bitcoin rise, okay? That's inverse correlated, but we're definitely keeping our eye on the Dixie just to see what happens. But nonetheless, it is pushing up today. So pushing up means downwards for Bitcoin. So we'll keep our eyes on this and make sure that we add that confluence into our trading. So a little bit of continuation down possible for Bitcoin, considering that the S&P looks like it needs a retracement, the NASDAQ looks like it needs a retracement, and the Dixie looks like it's pumping. So that's a confluence to the downside for Bitcoin. So we can add that, even though trend is up, we can add that to the idea of confluence when looking for shorts. Okay, just let's be cautious. We got market open in 1 minute now. and we'll see what happens, right? Maybe we gap up on the S&P, maybe not. Okay, we would like to see it gap down and then fill, right? That would be bullish. If we gap down and then push up, that's better. If we gap up, I mean, typically you want to look for it to come back. So just be patient right now. We'll see what happens. We got 50 seconds and counting and waiting for Bitcoin to kind of show its true colors. Right now, it looks like it wants to continue to roll over. I would like to see the SFP down here, right? This right here, beautiful, and then pop back up. However, if we do make a lower low here, we're looking for this to continue downwards, okay? Going into the weekend. It'll be an interesting one. Today, thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Mad love to you guys. Mad love to you guys. 180 people in here, 120 likes, man. We're crushing it. The like record is 139. Just so you guys know. It was set yesterday. 139 likes, man. That's pretty sweet, man. When I had to beg Schaefer just to like the video, I used to message him privately and be like, "Hey Schaefer, do you mind just pressing the like button? Maybe I'll get 2 viewers tomorrow." Good coffee this morning. What's your guys' favorite coffee? Let me know down below. What kind of coffee do you drink? I'm pretty particular. I have like a Starbucks dark roast coffee that I like. It's called Verona. It's called Verona. And then I use the drip. I use the sieve on the top with the filter, and then I pour the hot water over top of it. You can't pour boiling water on it. You got to wait for it to cool just a little bit. Then you pour very slowly and methodically. You let that thing drip. That's why when I say I'm making a coffee, it takes me like 8 minutes. But hey, if you like it, you like it. Don't hate on me for my coffee, okay? Don't hate on me. I've done the French press. I've done the Bialetti. I've done, I've tried them. This is the most efficient and nice way to get myself a nice cup of chai. A cup of joe in the morning, you know? You got to have that nice cup of joe. It's always important to start off with a good cup of joe. Michael likes a free one. A free coffee is the best. Pour over is delicious. Yeah, let's go. Grand Maestro Celesti coffee beans. Yummy. Yummy. Love a good pour over. Mad love to you guys. Mad love to you guys. Fun and I grind the beans too. I grind the beans. Don't get it twisted. I grind the beans, okay? None of this pre-grind stuff. You got to grind your beans. I'm telling you, makes the biggest difference in the world if you grind your damn beans, okay? Looking for this retest coming back in here. Come on, push Bitcoin. Push back up. Market open has occurred. We got gap down. Rolling over, okay? A little bit of a rollover here on our S&P 500. We go to the south when we talking about the S&P because the USA is south, right? Yeah. Yeah, you guys get it. Russell expansion. Woo. Russell wants to push, baby. Let's go, Russell. Let's go, Russell. I should have named my son Russell. Fucking hell. Oh, no. We're having fun today. That's all that matters. It's Friday, baby. It's Friday. Thank you guys for being here. A lot of you guys wearing that otter suit on the way up. I suggest you wear those roller skates, but we're going to end that poll. Oh, man. Got to grind your own beans. You old bean grinder, you. Don't be rude, Curtis. Don't be rude. Oh, man. The best part about waking up is Folgers in your cup. Marv has. Your TA is on point. We appreciate your efforts. Marv, thank you so much for being here, man. Your participation is enough. Thank you for the $5 super chat. God bless you, man. Hopefully you have a wonderful day trading and a wonderful weekend coming up. I mean, in North America, we got to enjoy our weekends, right? The winter is coming. I mean, depending on where you are, but winter's coming. Leaves are changing. Got to get that pumpkin pie in you. And happy Thanksgiving. Football has started. Thursday night football, all that good stuff for you Americans. Hockey's on its way. hockey season preseason starts this weekend for us, so I'm excited about that. I mean, a lot of things to look forward to, guys, but also, get out there, touch some grass this weekend, enjoy nature, the sunshine. I was out hitting some golf balls the other day, good times. But, you gotta touch some grass. There's got to be balance in the forest. Look at this rollover here, failure to get above standard deviation 1 here, rolling over. Let's see if we can come for that liquidity, looking for that swing failure pattern. We didn't get high enough for me to justify getting short here. Okay, not high enough. Looking for a little bit of a bounce right now. Thank you, Marv, for Go Knights, says Crypto Vol. I mean, I'm a Leafs fan, so I mean, I'm always in pain. I'm always in pain. I love, we have an amazing roster, and they always seem to lose. Okay, the playoffs for hockey is in the spring, and I'm a Toronto Maple Leafs fan, and it's the only Leaf that always falls in the spring. Is a joke, okay? The Leaf that falls in the spring, it's the Toronto Maple Leafs. We haven't won the Stanley Cup since 1967. Okay, it's been a drought. It's been a drought when we're the richest team of all of hockey, and yet we can't seem to perform in the playoffs. Okay, it's a painful existence. One time, we were in the second round of the playoffs. Okay, and I gotta be maybe 12 years old, 11 years old, and they're doing this event downtown where the Toronto Maple Leafs are blue, right? So I go downtown, Kiss 92.5, and they're dyeing people's hair blue because it's Game 7. I think it was against Ottawa, and they're dyeing people's hair blue. So I go downtown. I'm 12 with my mom, and I get my hair dyed blue. Okay, my hair was blue. I'm like, go Leafs, go, right? And then they lose, and then my hair is blue for 2 weeks after they lose. So I'm bullied. I'm getting bullied for the next 2 weeks because my hair's blue. The Leafs suck, and they're just laughing at me. I mean, the things you remember as a kid, right? Just a dummy for dyeing his hair blue, thinking the Leafs are going to do anything different but lose. I mean, no bull divs here. We can be looking for a potential bull divs here coming in. Swing failure pattern, higher low, higher high. Okay, this is a potential setup right here. So looking for this. Let's push down, higher low. Let's see that. Let's see that right now. Maybe we fire off a long. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Push down. SFP, higher low. Push down, baby. Push down. Push down. You got it. You got it. Push, 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 push. We want to see the push. We want to see volume come in here. Volume needs to be quick here. Volume, higher low. Here's volume. Here's some volume. Push. No. Come on. Don't tease me like that, Bitcoin. Don't tease me like that. Volume coming back in. Not convinced yet. If we take this high, then and we can look for the retrace. Not enough volume coming in on that low. I'd still want to see this come lower. Not enough volume here. We wait. See, coming right back down. Coming right back down. Push. Want you to see push down pretty quick. Want to see that sweep. Sweep, baby. Sweep. Down in here. Come on, down in here. Come to the Otter Gang, man. Come to the Otter Gang. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. Come on, push, baby. Push down and bounce. Push down like a beach ball, right? The beach ball underwater. Boop, boom. Boop, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, Bitcoin. Hard to beat a good Colombian or Brazilian lady, says David Rumbelow. I mean, coffee. Coffee. He said coffee. Oh, Alexandra G, mad love to you. It's Friday. Safe driving to work as always. Hopefully you had another good week, and thank you for always being around and supporting the channel. Your moderation is much appreciated, as always. Didn't like that. No sweep. You got anchor trigger. Anchor trigger wave does work, but I want to see a clear break of structure. Oh, yeah. Rejection here. Are we expecting a rough weekend for BTC? For me, Sunday close will be interesting, but I would expect volume to just die down. More of a dust settling kind of event. Okay. Here comes the rollover. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on over, lady. Here's the little push that we're looking for. I need more volume. There we go. Okay, that's a low. This is the 1 minute time frame. Let's not be too degenerate now. There's that push. Yeah. We don't want to see follow through. We want to see bounce. Comes the push. No follow through. Nope. Follow through is coming. Nope. No trade. Want to see bounce. Bounce, baby. Get above this support and resistance. This is follow through. This is not something I'm looking to trade. This is follow through. Nope. This is why you don't just set a trade here and hope for the best, right? This is continuation down. What's the Dixie saying? Dixie's ripping. Russell's printing. Nope. Russell's rolling over, guys. See, Russell? The Russell's dying as well. There's some confluence. A little pushback here. Can we make a higher high? Amy Lives Crypto. What's going on? Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. Guys, if you're not following Amy Lives Crypto, I don't know what you're doing. Go and check it out. Great videos, great information. Amy Lives Crypto. Thank you for being here. Hopefully someone can share your YouTube in the chat. Yeah, see, this is we don't trade this. This is not something that I'm sorry to say, but we don't want to participate in this garbage. This is garbage. The liquidity is down below, right? So this is good though for a bounce. Eventually we're going to catch this bounce. We're putting in lower lows here, and hopefully we can see if we a little bit of a bounce here. If we get this change in structure here, we can be looking for it, but this is equal lows right now with this is rolling over. There's the link. Thank you, Alexandra G. There's the link for Amy Lives Crypto. Guys, go give Amy Lives Crypto a sub. I believe she's trying to get to 1,000. Yeah, here we are. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, 541. Always trying to help people. Part of the Givers Gain community. Amazing, amazing stuff. Make sure you go over and check out her channel. Equal bottoms right now. This is dreaded. This is dreaded price action, right? Nothing to participate in here. Russell rolling over, grabbing liquidity in here. Okay. Tesla had a 6% run last night. Woo wee. If you hold Tesla like I do, I mean, happy Tesla days. Happy Tesla days. What's the ES doing? The ES is rolling over too. Okay, so a little bit of a bearish Friday here so far. No trades. Looking for that bounce up. Looking for that bounce. What made me not get into that sell signal up above? I didn't see a full liquidity retracement. So when looking at this, we never came back up to this trend line / this previous low. I was looking for this, but it didn't get high enough, in my opinion, to justify getting short. Okay. So we came down, we bounced, but we didn't get a full bounce back. I would have liked to see us come a little bit higher. I had the limit order set up top here in case we bounce back, but never came back to that area that I was targeting. Okay, so it was maybe you could say a mistrade, but to me, not high enough for a continuation trade, right? Like I want to see bounce and continuation. Okay, I would like to see half of this candle recovered, because recovering half of this candle suggests healthy price action, which means this, right? Healthy price action where price is retracing enough to justify getting short here for continuation down. Now, because we haven't fully retraced here, I'm looking for an SFP to come back into that zone. So it gives me an opportunity to get long back into this area, okay? And as you can see right now, we might be getting it. So let's look. Okay, little bounce back. So now I want to see a higher high being put in. I would say above here for potential bounce. We've grabbed liquidity, as you can see, coming up to resistance. If we can flip that resistance, potential long coming in. Okay, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nice push. Nice push. Russell bouncing a little bit, still rolling over. Not convinced. Not convinced here on the Dixie either. Yeah, just being patient right now. Got 170 people in here, 133 likes. We're 6 likes away from our all-time highs. Country Keith is in here. What's going on, Country Keith? I'm referring much to much higher. Okay. What made you not get in the sell signal high above? Which sell signal? Up here, the rejection off the VWAP, the bearish divergence at the top, the triple top over here. There's lots of opportunities. This doesn't meet my rules, right? We got to have rules, and we have to justify entering and where we can manage risk, right? And that's going to really allow us to make better decisions. Nice pushback here. Nice pushback. I like this pushback. This is good. This is good. Let's take these highs. Okay, now we're looking for the retrace. $62,700. See if we can get that retrace. Come on, Bitcoin. See if we can get this retrace. Now we want to see a bounce continuation up to our liquidity up in here. Looking to fire off along. All right, let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's see a little push here. Let's see if we can get a little push here. Here comes our retrace. And you can still look for another SFP. We have barely made a high here. Okay, so this is a little bit riskier than normal. I like to see this come in here, bounce. This is barely, these are probably equal highs here, so I wouldn't necessarily, might look to get in here though. We do have a key level of support in here. Just waiting. Waiting. 62,650-ish. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Maybe 740. 740. Somewhere down here. I need an allergy pill like it's going out of style, man. You can be really cheap here though. That's the thing, is like if you do bounce from here, you can be really cheap. Getting long, baby. Getting long. Let's see. Push Bitcoin. We in. We're in. We'll see how it goes. First TP is going to be 63,000. We'll see if we get there. We'll see if we get there. Push Bitcoin. Push, push, push. We're making higher highs. This is a good sign. Okay, stop loss really cheap here. Just below this liquidity of this low here. Looking for this thing to push up into, recover at least halfway up here, the level that we had from before. So at least getting up into 63,200. Probably take a little bit off because of the environment. The Russell's bouncing quite aggressively here. This could be good for Bitcoin. Okay, S&P, we're on a too high of a time frame here. S&P's rolled over, but there's a little bit of strength here on the S&P as well. Dixie. Let's see a rejection on the Dixie. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push, baby. Push, you pansy. Push, you. Push, you pansy. Let's go. Push. Push. Push, let's go. Push. Hit that 60. Ooh, it doesn't like 63,000, eh? Is it scared? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. We're all friends here. We're all friends here. Come on. 63K, baby. Push. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Ma. We got this. You got to push, baby. You got to push. You got to push, man. What is this? This is some scammy. Oh, man. Come on, Bitcoin, baby. You got this. You just going to give me this little dick for a ticks right here. Just didn't want to keep going. Didn't want to keep going. Push, baby. Aggressive, man. Aggressive pushback. I don't know. Trying to grab shorts. Nah, come on. Even if this comes into here, that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes you get a retracement in here and then you go. Okay? We were patient, though. I'll give us that. We were patient. We can still come back in this area in here. It's very possible. You could even swing here. To me, this looks like strength, though. You've made a high now. Okay, so this is right around just below here, right around what is it? Yeah, right around there. We'll see. We had a little push up there, but we didn't get to 63,000. Maybe we should have front run the take profit early, but I'm not too concerned right now. I think this is a good bounce level. Remember, red lines are critical, right? The red lines of support are critical. Looking for this. We got money coming in. Russell with a bounce. Dixie's strong right now. That's the only concern is Dixie's holding its ground. S&P still a little bit rolling over here. Might have front run this a little bit too early. Okay, let's go to 3 minute here. 3 minute standard deviation. Yeah, we could still come down a little bit more. Still come down a little bit more. Money's coming out pretty aggressively. Let's see the 12. I would like to see 12. Oh, 12 is beautiful. Look at this, guys. I don't care what you say. The 12 is pumping us. Look at this. VWAP crossover. Big, huge anchor wave. This is pushing us, baby. Let's go. Look at the stochastics coming together. This is gorgeous. Come on, Bitcoin. Listen to your 12-minute time frame. Listen to your 12-minute time frame. We got 4 minutes on this, so let's go into an 8. As the 8 crossed over. Yes, the 8 has crossed over. Confirmed the green dot. Posturing to the upside on. Look at this. Bottoming out structure here. Green dot. Oof. This is short-term. We at least getting a retracement here, baby. Let's go. Push it, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it. And once we confirm on like our 18, our 24, oof. That could be beautiful. Look at these time frames. They're looking good. Okay, leading into, which is not so pretty, is our higher term, our 1 hour. This could be our relief rally. Short-term relief, probably for the rest of the day down. So we're looking for that short-term relief pump right now. Okay, we'll see if we get it. But the short-term time frames look as though that they can push. Okay. We're also looking at this VWAP very overextended here on our hourly, which means that we want VWAP is typically going to bounce from here. It doesn't necessarily get down into the 20s quite often. And this is a little trigger wave. You can see here the little trigger wave forming here on the hourly. Quite bullish. Okay, quite bullish. Money's dipping down, a little concerning, but everything else, considering it's pointing up, is going to be giving us that bias to the upside. Okay, look at overextend on our 30, right? Money's coming out, but we're looking for this move. It doesn't matter if it's still coming out. We're looking for this move in here. Okay. 15 coming up. We'll see how it goes, but this is looking all right. Looking all right. What leverage do you trade on? I can go all the way up to 75, but I typically have been trading on 40 to 50x leverage recently. I trade anywhere from 50 to 100. I don't know what Alex uses. I don't think he has ever told. Yeah. So you can see it when I share my trades. But yeah, 50x leverage, 40x leverage. Right now we're on 50. Just looking for a little bounce here. Right? These lower term time frames need to play though. They need to play. We need to see push. We need to see the push. Right? They're stalling out here. A little bit of patience will prevail. Okay, rolling over. A little rollover, okay? That's okay. We said it can come back down and retest down below. We said it can come in here. No problem. No problem. It's 9:58. Typically, we're done by now. We'll see how this continues to play. We'll stay on for this trade. Not going to close early. Just going to see how it plays. Key bounce level. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. The short-term time frames look good. The higher-term time frames are a bit iffy, though, right? So remember, the higher-term time frames do hold more weight than the short-term time frames. So we want to watch those in confluence, but a little bit overextended here. Russell's still rolling over a little bit here. S&P, same deal. The Dixie's ripping. That's the concern right now. Right? We want to see the Dixie calm down, pussycat. Okay? Want to see that Dixie calm down. We'll see if we can push back here. If not, that's okay. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push. I'm looking for that triple tap down below here now. Looking for this kind of higher low. Come in here. Okay, continuation out. We'll see if we get it. This is flattening. I don't like that. Don't like that. Patience will prevail. Patience will prevail. We're at a very key level of support here as well, so that's interesting. Liquidity has been grabbed. Okay. It's a battle. You can see the battle going on right now as we speak, man. This is pretty wild. Look at Bitcoin, baby. And look for this. Look for this. Looking for this next trigger wave on our 1 minute. Look at that. We're on our 1 minute time frame, guys. Oh man. Looking for that bounce. We'll see if we get it. Thank you guys for liking the stream. We've set a new record. We got 148 likes today. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's crazy. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. New record today, 148 likes. We got 190 people in here. We're seeing if we can get the bounce. Long's getting absorbed for now. Yeah, it seems like you can see the exhaustion above us here, but we're just looking to get back up into this zone here. Like this is not, we can come up to VWAP would be like the final, but I'm just looking for us to get up into the 63,000-ish area. Okay. Just looking for a little pushback. We had a little bit of hopium. Maybe we were a bit early. I mean, you can see the battle going on right now as we speak. Just looking to come into 63. First take profit 63,000. 63,000. Yeah, just those highs in there. We'll make it 62,994 for our first take profit. We'll see if we get there. Just that psychological level, you know? We'll see if we get it. Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. Don't be a dick for a tick. Take some off. Don't be a dick for a tick. We'll see if we can push up. Push. A little bit more. Come on, Bitcoin. Wow. You're going to give me some ugly price action today, eh, Bitcoin? Chop City. Let's go on the 30-second time frame. 30 Push Bitcoin up in here. Get up in it. Come on, Bitcoin. Very choppy. Very choppy. Not really liking this price action. B Team Crypto, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Mad love to you. The Granite Grappler. Nice. Got to bounce off the 1 minute golden pocket. we're gonna do 1 minute golden pockets now. All right. Let's do the 1 minute golden pocket to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man. Oh man. I'm gonna go a 5-second time frame, guys. We're gonna do 5-second time frame now. We are long. We are long. We are long. Come on. What's a stop loss? Says David Brumbler. We got 200 people in here, man. Crypto Blood, my man. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? We gotta do a collab soon, man. I just got a newborn, man. That's the problem here, man. That's the problem here. There ain't no problem with the newborn. You know, I'm too blessed to be stressed, really. Really. This is some scammy ass price action today. This is Kamala price action. Kamala's in the building. Kamala over her face. I mean, I didn't say that. I don't care who wins. As long as you don't blow up Canada, I'm happy, man. Be good to our moose. Okay? Be good to our moose. Good to see you, Crypto Blood. If you guys aren't following Crypto Blood, I mean, one of the OGs in the space, man. One of the OGs. Mad respect to you always gotta pay respect to the people who paved the way for you, right? No matter what, you pay your respects. You say, hey, mofos, go over, subscribe to Crypto Blood. The alpha is in the building, okay? Man's buying Bitcoin back in 2010 or something crazy like that. I don't know. I love you, bro. Oh, I love you, man. We in a long right now. Come on, Bitcoin, push you, namby-pamby, pansy. Let's go. I can't handle this price action today, man. I'm going to take half off. Come on, push a little bit more. What is this, man? This is shockingly shite. Are they just like making me wait it out for like, what is this? Look at this exhaustion in here. This is called manipulation. Is it water on the knee? Manipulation. Right? I'm going to take half off. I've taken half off, guys. Stop loss, I'm going to move up into... I'll move stop loss up to 60. There we go. 62.8. Okay, 62.8 stop loss. Half is off the board, okay? So, you know, GG's. A win is a win, okay? A win is a win. I've taken half off, looking for the continuation of this move. We'll see if we do get it. I mean, there you go. 50x long. Okay. You know I'm taking the trades with you, okay? We'll see if we get there. But this price action is scammy as fuck. So right now, you know, you do what you can with what you got, right? Oh, man. Look for a new entry. We could look for a new entry. We could close this out and look for a new entry. Absolutely. I just want to go spend some time with my son before I have to teach. I got to teach at... I teach every day at 11 o'clock for the Chart Prime community. Go over there and get people learnt, you know? Oh, man. So go and do that. But, you know, I get a little bit of a window from 10 to 11 where I get to spend some time with the family and then hopefully get back to the grind as usual. So thank you, friends, for being here. I mean, we set a new record today for likes on stream. We got 200 people in here. My God. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Okay? You know, it's always an honor and a privilege. It is Friday. Okay? It is Friday. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm in that beautiful, beautiful Discord that you guys should all join and come and hang out with us. We got memberships. $1 a day keeps the pain away. Thank you guys for being here. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you guys in the Discord, and I will see you guys maybe for a Sunday close. Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto.